Calling all beach lovers. Welcome back to Vacationing in Ocean City. I'm Jordan Clevey, and today we've got an important reminder for all of you excited Ocean City vacationers out there. We want you to stay up to date on all things vacationing in OCMD, so go ahead, click the like and subscribe buttons below. Memorial Day weekend is just around the corner, and you know what that means. The official kickoff to summer in Ocean City, Maryland. Now, if you're like us, you're already daydreaming about sandy toes, sun-kissed skin, and the sound of waves crashing. To make sure your dream vacation becomes a reality, listen up. It's time to secure your spot for Memorial Day weekend. Trust me, you don't want to miss out on the best vacation rentals in town. Our properties book up fast for MDW, so make sure you book ASAP. Our beautiful rentals are filling up, and Memorial Day weekend is the hottest ticket in town. Whether you're looking for a cozy beachfront condo, a luxury stay in the Gateway Grand, or a bayside home or townhome, we've got something for every family and every budget. Booking your vacation to kick off summer is as easy as a few clicks. Head on over to our website at centraloc.com or give us a call. Our friendly team is here to help you find the perfect spot to make lasting family memories. Now go ahead, click those like and subscribe buttons below. You'll be an Ocean City vacation expert before you know it. So what are you waiting for? Summer's just around the corner, and we can't wait to see you at the beach shortly.